Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. Myself Akhilesh, and in this video I am going to show you how to change the package name in Android Studio. So by default the package name will be com.example. Com.example will give you an error message when you are uploading your package into Play Store. So that you have to change the package name. To change the package name, click on the setting icon here and uncheck the hide empty middle packages, and now you can see the packages in Java, and under com here you can see the package names. So if you want to change the package name, click on the name and right click there, and here you can get the option refactor and here rename. So click on this and now type the name which you want and click on this refactor. So now you have to click do refactor here. Okay, it takes some time, and now go to Gradle scripts. Here you can see this build Gradle. In this one here you have to rename which part you have renamed. For example, if you want to rename com.example, in the place of example you have to type the name which you renamed. Okay, now and sync the Gradle files. You may see the option there, sync now. Click on that and renaming will be done. Thanks for watching my video. Please do support by subscribing my channel. Thank you.